Come collect eggs with me. Oh, I see a couple. Hello, chickens. Gwen wanted to say hi. There's one. Will you stop it? That's odd. One looks like a quail egg. Did you lay that? Weird. Alright. There's 3 more. Will y'all stop it? Stop. 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 Y'all are crazy. You know that? I hope you know y'all went famous too. Y'all got more views than anything else I've ever posted ever. You guys. Roosty the Rooster. What do you think, bud? Well, 9 plus our little one. And the 3 that we picked up this morning at feeding. So, 13-ish eggs. I'll take it.